Hello and welcome. Today I'm showing you how to launch your own meme coin on Solana for free in less than 10 minutes using Coinbook, a super fast and user-friendly platform. Whether you're after the next viral project or just want to learn how these things work, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started step by step. No coding, no fees, and seriously quick. We'll unpack how it works, what to watch out for, and even a few tips on how to give your coin a real shot at attention or traction. Before we begin, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not encouraging speculation or hype, and this isn't financial advice. Meme coins are highly speculative and risky by nature. Always do your own research and use responsible judgment before deploying or promoting anything. That said, let's explore the technical how-to of deployment. Before everything else, why Solana? And why tools like Coinbook? Solana stands out because it offers lightning-fast, ultra-low-cost transactions, often just a fraction of a cent, making it the perfect playground for meme coins that rely on rapid engagement and minimal barriers to entry. Coinbook, a newcomer in this space, brings an even easier experience. Its interface allows you to generate an SPL token with a name, symbol, logo, and deploy it to Solana, all completely free and in minutes. This mirrors platforms like Pump.Fun, which exploded as a go-to launcher for meme coins on Solana, enabling instant creation with a visual board-style catalog for discovery. So how does Coinbook let you launch for free so quickly? It provides a form-based interface where you fill in basic info, like the token name, symbol, description, logo, and it handles the rest. Under the hood, it uses Solana's SPL token standard, likely via abstractions of Solana CLI. Crucially, it likely covers transaction fees for the initial creation, letting you skip paying for gas. Within seconds, you're given a token address and a mint, ready for distribution or liquidity pairing. Behind the scenes, Solana's efficiency and Coinbook's automation make it seamless. Unlike building with CLI or Anchor, you're freed from coding and deployment becomes a button-click experience. It's free, fast, and nearly zero barrier to entry, perfect for experimentation or rapid community engagement. It suits creators who want instant deployment without technical heavy lifting. However, there are downsides. Most tokens created this way lack depth, no vesting, no smart contract logic like deflationary burns or governance. They're often seen as disposable by the market, plus ethical players must beware. Platforms like Pump.Fun are notorious for enabling soft rug pulls because full visibility into token ownership or mint authority is vital. Finally, just deploying a coin doesn't guarantee any interest. Community, hype, or utility matter far more. Now before we proceed, let's make a checklist of the things that we need to prepare before we create our meme coin. The first thing is a crypto wallet, with a tiny bit of Solana inside it to cover for the very little fees that should be around a couple of dollars. Don't worry about it though, since you'll only need a few cents for any transaction that may occur in the Solana blockchain. Then of course you'll need a device to create your meme coin. Either a phone or a computer should work, since we'll be creating one on the Coinbook website. Ideally, a computer would be good, but if it's not available, then a phone should do. Either way, the creation process is very easy and quick, so it's not going to take a lot of effort. Lastly, you'll need a stable internet connection to proceed with the rest of the steps seamlessly. Of course, since it's going to be done on a website, it's definitely going to need some online connection. Okay, let's jump right into the meme coin creation process. On your browser's address bar, type coinbook.fun. Once you're there, you can see some tokens on the main page being traded in real time. First things first, connect your Solana wallet. Phantom or Solflare works perfectly. If you don't have any, then you should set up one. Don't worry, it won't take long and the wallet account registration is very quick. But if you do have one already, just proceed to connect it right away. To begin, click on Launch New Token, then this new window will appear. you'll have to input your desired token name, token symbol, description, then logo. Decide on something playful and meme-worthy. Now let's try to create one. For the token name, I'm going to type in there Amogus, a reference to the Among Us meme. Then for the symbol, you could retype the token name in all caps, but it would be better if you shorten it like AMGS. For the description, just type there anything you want that describes your meme coin. The description won't matter much really, but what's important is the name and symbol of your token, so you should think that through. Then upload an image, something meme-worthy and funny that's related to your meme coin's concept. After that, if you click on Show More Options, another group of text boxes will appear below, where you could type the Telegram, website, and X or Twitter link for your token if you have any, but it's optional. You could leave it blank, so let's hide it, then proceed to launching our meme token. Keep in mind though, once you launch your meme coin, it is final and is released instantly to the world, so make sure everything is set. Your token name, symbol, logo, and description must be correct. If all is looking good, click on Launch Token. You'll then be given the option to buy your own token if you want to have a developer supply or be the first person to transact with your meme coin. This is to protect your token from snipers, individuals or bots that use automated software to rapidly execute trades by scanning blockchain transactions and purchasing a meme coin at its lowest price or selling it at its highest, aiming to profit from minimal price movements or arbitrage opportunities before other traders. But as displayed in the text box, it is optional, so you could skip this and proceed to launching your meme coin, though it is recommended that you buy your own token right before it launches. Once your token is live, you're going to get a new page where you'll see statistics of your token like its transactions. You can now share your token to your friends or community so they can buy it. Anybody can now buy, sell, and trade your token on coinbook.fund, but it can become available to other markets once its bonding curve achieves full completion. And that's it. You just created your very own meme coin. Coinbook offers a fantastic way to launch a Solana meme coin for free in under 10 minutes. Fast, accessible, and low barrier. It's ideal for meme creators or experimental projects. But remember, successful meme coins depend more on story, hype, trust, and community than on the tool used. Always prioritize transparency and respect. If you're ready to take your idea live, Coinbook might be the easiest springboard, but don't forget to back it up with smart tokenomics, engaging identity, and community building. And that would be all for today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.